guys. Today is July 1st, so I wish everyone happy Canada Day. So, you guys will be enjoying your day with your families. May God bless all of you. So, I was just looking that some of the guys were looking for the best strategies which I use or most of the traders used for Fibonacci. So today I will let you know that how you can draw your Fibonacci levels, what are the best levels which I use during the trading day, in which at least the basic thing for every trade is that you should know where to get out from the trade. Means what can be the level you need to exit your trade with the loss, because if you will take care of your loss, then obviously the profit will come automatically. So this is the SPY chart for June 30th, 2022. If you see, there was some levels. It was the high, it was the low during the pre-market. Pre-market means from 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Means obviously 9:29 to 9:30. So if we want to draw manually these levels, then obviously you need to put something here, you need to put one level here, and then you can go with the Fibonacci levels. The settings I will show you in just a moment. And then some of the traders do that, they put some high and lows, they put the line of the Fibonacci retracement. Here you can find the Fibonacci retracement tool, the first one, and the settings which I'm using. You can see, you can note down all the settings, the levels. The first level obviously is the 0 or 100%. Means if you will flip the line through this reverse button, then obviously the levels will automatically reverse. If you see here, 0 is here and 100 is here. If I will flip it, the 0 is here and now the 100 is here. Means it flipped, and all the top levels which were before, if you see, all the top levels were here in the miss from above 0. But if I will flip it, double click it, and then press this reverse, then all the levels will be reversed. Now 0 is on the top, 100 is there, and go and so on. So if you want to note down the levels, you can take the pictures. I am obviously recording this video for you guys, and you can note it down very carefully. Some traders use this level as 0.236. I'm using 0.272. It doesn't matter. 38.2 or 0.382. Basically it is in the points, and if you multiply it with the 100, so it will be in the percentage. So 38.2%, 50%, 61.8, 78.6, and 88.6. Basically, if you see all the YouTube videos, I don't think, maybe very few will have this level 0.886, or you can say 88.6% level. uh, why I'm using, I will let you know. I will show you during the chart. When I will go over the chart, you will see by yourself that how much this level is important for you guys. um, um, but I'm telling you, you will not see most of the traders use this level, but this level is really good. Means you can go in the trade, uh, means before anyone is going in the trade, because most of the traders are using this 78.6% trade. But by using this level, your stop loss will be very few cents, very few dollars. So this is really important level along with this 61.8%. That's why I have put both the color of the these levels same, because the market can reverse 61.8% level, market can go up to the 61.8% level, market can reverse from this 88.6 and can go up to 88.6. And if that 88.6% level will break, then the next target can be 1.886 or 1.618, which you can find here. So all of my 61.8 and 88.6 levels are of same color. If the market will break 1.886 or 1.618%, then the next target can be 2.618, means, and then 3.618 and 4.272, or as I told you before, 0.272, the traders use 0.232, so it can be 4.232. So instead of like here, the, if you see there is a difference. This one is only 27.2%, but the next after 100%, I have written here, I'm taking this as 23.6%. This is my strategy. These are my levels. If you like others, if your strategy will be with other levels, also let me know. But these are my levels. You can disagree with me, you can agree with me, but try to figure out why these levels are means becoming stronger when the price comes to these levels. The price means any stock price or any Bitcoin price, cryptocurrency price, SPY, indices, ES, Nasdaq, miss futures, miss you. I will show you how the price is reacting at these levels. So, but before proceeding further, I want to show you couple of trades of the trades which I took in the afternoon. Two trades I took just to show you. Miss, normally I don't want to show any trades to anyone, but at that moment I show you how I was trading. So the basic theme was same. The strategy was same in the afternoon around this area. I took the trades. I will also show you the snapshot in this video. So the strategy was same because I took the lowest part here, the low part of this Fibonacci level here, and the highest level was this one. So I draw the Fibonacci level and I saw that okay, it is coming down from 88.6, didn't break the 100%. But in this way, miss, you can also take the Fibonacci here because this was the high, this was the low, and the price was going back again to break this level. So everything was in my favor at that moment. The price took this bearish engulfing candle after this green big candle, and it didn't break the 100% level. And I took my trade. I got off early just because I was just showing you guys that how you can go inside the trade with minimum stop loss, and the ultimate target was 188.6%. Oh, but before that 161.8. Normally I don't go up to 188.6. So even if you get yourself in the trade from around this level below 88.63818, and if you carry on 161.8%, if all the miss um, things will go on in your favor, then you can take almost how much 381, sorry, 38 below 38118. Okay, and if you carry on the trade up to 161.8, then 38182 3775, almost 35 plus 8 43 points. I got it early, and before because I was just posting you, so I didn't mention the indicator. If I will add the indicator here also, this FO2, then you can see how it is benefiting me, how it is giving me an edge. So you can wait after 88.6. You can wait once this levels. Sorry, it is 2 minutes. uh So you can wait once both the colors means magenta and red will be in the combination with each other. So for the safe trade, if you want to go safe, you can go inside the trade once this magenta color will break this red moving average 21, and it will come down really smoothly until this red color will not change the color to green, or green will not cross this green again. Means even if you get in the trade from 3810 3809 level, it is shouting to you that okay, now you can get out from the trade 3776. So 324 plus 9 is 33 points, 33 points in one trade. So don't overtrade. Okay, it is showing me like here, green very small miss a smooth breakout, so you can go in the trade. If even if you go inside the trade here 3751, if you get out from here, if you get out here below the pre-market low, let me see what is the, yeah, 830. So for the stocks you need to put 830, and so the for the futures, ES, Nasdaq, other, you need to put 830. Other than that, stocks and SPY and everything, you need to put 930 here. So 3751 and 37609 easy points means there are a lot of trades. If you see green is smooth breakout, this lime color above the dark green color, you can go in the trade. Green go, green go, green go. Okay, and vice versa. Suppose if you want to go with sell short, then magenta red, sell until it will not show you green. Okay, here it was green and until it will not show me red or magenta. Okay, so there are a lot of trades. You can go, you can see magenta red is smooth breakout, sell. Red, get out. Here, sell, and then green, get out. Okay, so red, magenta, short, and when it is green, get out, or uh, go in the opposite direction. Okay, after this the market close, and I don't want to see after the market close. So three, four, five good trades in the day, and I think you can be done for the week, for the month, whatever it is, as per your appetite. Okay, so guys, the Fibonacci levels 88.6, 161.8, or 150, 138.2%, miss whatever, miss wherever you feel safe, go inside the trade with a small stop loss and get out from the trade with big profits. So like this, you can trade every day, anything. Guys, these are the snapshots of the two trades which I took and I mentioned you over the WhatsApp. These were the profitable trades, and I knew before the entry that where is my stop loss and what can be my initial targets. If you are trading Tesla, you can do the trade for Tesla in the same way. If we go in the June 30th charts, you can see how many big trades you can achieve within the before the lunch break. During the lunch, it is a little bit sideways. After the lunch, it will give you, it can give you some more trades because this was the previous low, this level. Once it break, and you can see the beautiful trade. Okay, so just try to break the trades. Don't go with one single trade. If I will show you here the same thing, the price made the double bottom here. After the double bottom, you see both lines green, and it is again testing the same high. It basically it didn't break, and again it is coming down. If it is 38.2% or something like this didn't break, then it will go again. Okay, sorry. So it didn't break 61.8, went back above again. Now it is creating some resistance area at this level. Okay, so it needs to break this level. If it will not break, then I want to see the same strategy. So how can I mark up my strategy? This was the high, previous high. This was the low, price came down, and again trying to test The previous high didn't break 88.6%. Now it is coming down. Coming down up to which level? Same, 161.8. This time it reached up to 178.6. I don't care. Okay. My target is 150 to 161.8. Get out from the trade. Don't go in the trade again in the same trend. Don't try to go. And you can see the same thing. Here, suppose if you want to go safe, it is red magenta. Go in the trade, get out from the trade here. Once it will go green, you will not lose anything. Or if you will lose, you will lose a very little. Okay. So these are the yes, Fibonacci level strategies and the strategy with the indicator obviously helping me a lot. So in this way you can go in the trade, but the main target should be to take care of your losses. Once you will take care of the losses, you will be a winner. Okay, obviously not 100% the trades go in your favor, but at least you should know where to get out. What is your main target of the profit and what is your stop loss target? Okay, guys, we can move further on. Take care. So some of the traders, what they do, they mark these high and low levels of the pre-market, and after that obviously the first target is 1.618%. Okay, and the how to mark these levels, I told you that just the pre-market high is this level. I can also use my own indicator which is private, and if you guys need that one, then I can send you for the testing. You can test it on your system with the live chart and then shoot me an email. If you want that indicator, then I will provide it to you. Obviously there will be a little cost, but I will show you how much you can benefit from that indicator. The purpose of this video is not to miss market my indicator, just to show you how you can to make the draw the Fibonacci levels. So in this indicator, if I will go in my indicator which is named by this one, then you need to change a little bit for the SPY and all the stock charts. Just you need to put 9:30 is the pre-market ending minutes and hours. So the chart at big, because this was the high in the pre-market, this was the low, so it will automatically draw the lines. These purple lines are 5 minutes high and low, which is also really good. I will mention you in the next video how you can use these levels, but for now I'm just drawing the pre-market high and pre-market low. If I will do one more thing, if I will highlight this PM high and PM low, what it will do, I'm just diffusing it PM low right now, so you will know that why I put it here. If you see at the end, then mm, give me a second. So if you see, it will show you. If I will switch on that PM high, it will show me, means once the price will be moving, it will also show you that what is this line, PM high. Okay, this is pre-market high. If I will switch on this, it will show me pre-market low. Okay, and this is also a really good level, pre-market mid. Some of the traders don't use it. I want to use it. Why? I will show you why. Because all these levels, I'm just switching off this pre-market 5 minutes high and low. So against all the lines, you can see I have indicated that what these lines are telling me is if the line is going, so everyone should know that okay, this is the pre-market high, this is the pre-market low. So I told you that for the SPY chart and other, so you need to put 9 here and 30 here if you are going with any futures stock, futures rates like as ES, Nasdaq, like here ES. If I will go with ES, you will see that I need, because this, if you see this candle, this was the highest candle. So what the time is showing? It is showing in the bottom 10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock is not the pre-market. So in that case, what I need to do, I need to put it here 8:30, and then it will create the pre-market high. So you can see the highest candle before 9:29 to 9:30 candle was not this one. This is 9:30 to 9:31 candle. What is the highest one? These two are the highest. Okay, so if you see, it created at 6:24, it created at 6 o'clock. So this was the highest level. Even the difference is really low, but sometimes the difference between the 9:29 candle is, suppose 9:29 candle is closing here, so this line means pre-market high line will automatically come to that level. So this is the way I'm benefiting my indicator. I don't need to draw anything manually. I can also switch off these things, so it will not create any uh, problem for you for this. Okay, so I have these levels on June 30th chart. So this is June 30. Okay, so if you see, the pre-market high was not this candle. Okay, this is a 9:30 candle, means 9:30 to 9:31. But what was the pre-market high candle? If you see, this was the highest candle, 4:42 a.m. Okay, so it created a high, it created a low, and also it is creating this red cross. Basically, it is taking the average of this high and low, and it is drawing automatically. You don't need to do anything, it will draw automatically. So if you see where the market can go, what I predict before the opening of the market, if the price will open above this red cross, then there can be two scenarios. If the momentum, if the bullish momentum is higher than the bearish, then the market will go up. It will test pre-market high, and if it will break, then it will come to test again at this pre-market mid level. If the bearish momentum will be much higher than the bullish, then the market will retest this pre-market mid level, and then it will come to test pre-market low. But okay, it seems really simple. But once the market is going on, everything will be haphazard. Means you don't know where the market is going. You get into the trade and you get out with the panic because you think that the market is going against you. You will be losing. So, but if you see, I will draw the Fibonacci level. Okay, so this left bar come here and Fibonacci retracement. I've already told you the my levels. So there can be two things. One thing is this, that you draw here from here, minimum level to maximum level. But in this case, the market, if the market is going down, so what you need to know, you need to know that where the market can go maximum, or what can be the possibility the market can reverse from any place. So now in this case, my numbers are on the top. So what I will do, I will just double click it in just a few seconds, and I will take my trades here. If I now I can see, okay, the price is coming down. My first level, my first, you can say, target level is 1.618. This is my first target level if the bearish momentum is there. If the bullish momentum, obviously the same target. Okay, but why the price is coming to this level? So guys, please take attention. If I will see here, I didn't reach up to this maximum level. I am drawing the level from this previous highest level, which was the this level. Okay, so if you will see, if I will put my line from here to that point, which was the highest pre-market high level around 4:42 a.m. So if the market will go again to test this high, and if it will fail from there, then what will happen? The price will come down. So you will see, you can see here the market after opening. You see this is 930 to 931 candle. Okay, this candle, this green candle is 930 to 931 candle. So you can see here the market went to test this level, pre-market high, but at the same time bears came and they pull the market to the downside. So you can see the rejection. The wick on the top of this green candle is higher than the bottom. If you see the size of this wick is more as compared to this wick. So it means the bears wants to take the market down. Up to which level? No. Now you want to take the levels, you want to see the level. Okay, up to which level the buyers can pull, bears can pull the market down. So now your Fibonacci level will tell you. If suppose if the market is coming down, went back up to test this level, I will show here, then what can be the level? My first level is 1.618, or before that it can be 1.5%, means 150%. And you can see the market is reversing from almost 1.786 or 1.618, means 161.8%. But the because the market is going down from this level, so what I will do, I will change my Fibonacci level from this bottom to up to here. This is my lowest level, this is my highest level, lowest and highest level, and the market is coming down. So don't think that okay, it has reached to 178.6%. So if you get out here 161.8, then you need to go inside the trade again. No, no, no. Don't do this thing. Never do this thing. You can lose whatever you have gained. So the lowest level and the highest level is giving me the reversal point. So this is my reversal point. If you uh, wake up late and the market is almost at 10 o'clock, if you see the market at 10 o'clock like this, now you don't need to enter into the trade. One more thing I want to switch on, I want to switch on my RSI. Why? Because it is giving me an edge. What is the edge I can get from the RSI level along with the moving average? You can see the settings of this RSI. Okay, if you want to see, the input values are this. I think the RSI length was 10, not 20. So I can save as default, and then so you can see the settings. Time frame should be as per the chart, means it will change as per the chart, not with the time frame. RSI length is 10, EMM is moving average length is 10, and the setting, just the color settings. Okay, my levels are 70 and 30. Normally put other people can put 60 and 40 or 75 and 25, but these are my levels. So you can see what are the levels. These are just, I just color coded, miss I just changed the color, so I should know that at this level I will be ready for sell, at this level I will be ready for buy. That's why I put it red and green. Green is buy and red is sell. So once the market is going down, if you see these type of, suppose if you see miss the bearish candle size normally is greater than as compared to the bullish candle green one. Okay, so this is the bearish candle, but after that if you see the RSI is retaining above the moving average. Okay, if you don't want to go RSI, no problem, but it is testing this at this point. If you see, just at this point, if you see, it tested and then went back. Even it went back above 50, this black line is 50, and it is almost retaining itself above 50. But how can you manage the trade with the Fibonacci? With the Fibonacci, you know that after 161.8 the market is not coming down, or even with 178.6, the market is not coming down, it is creating some bullish sign. So how I can trade from this level? If you see why the market, the previous level was this, and if I will flip the Fibonacci levels, you will see that the market broke 88.6% just at the opening, but it didn't close above 100%, means the previous high. If it, suppose if the bulls will be more, and if the market will break this pre-market high, then it will retest the pre-market high. Like suppose if the price broke this level, it will go up, it can come back to test again the pre-market high level. If this floor, if the concrete at 100%, if this level is much stronger, then bulls can take the market up. But in this case, what happened? The market didn't break this concrete. Means this level was strong enough, and the bulls didn't have the power to break this level. And why I mention you that I'm really lover of these levels, 88.6 and 61.8. If the market will give me any bearish sign at this 88.6 level, at this level, what I will go? I will do what I will do. I will go with the I will go with the sell. My sell order will be, can be near to this 88.6%, suppose here, or it can be a little bit down to 88.6%. Because why? Because if I am, because these Fibonacci levels I need to draw manually. So it can be, might be I, by mistake I put my Fibonacci level here a little bit down, and if I am just drawing the, suppose the my sell order above this line, then it can happen that okay, I can put my trade. Suppose if I put wrongly put the my highest level here, in if I am trying to put my sell order below this, so by mistake I put it here, so it will not take my order. I will, means obviously the trade will come again, but I will not get inside the trade. So that's why you can put your order a little bit down to these levels. Okay, now if I'm in sell, where is that level here? If you see, I am in the trade, I put an order of sell, it executed, and where will be my stop loss? A little above from the pre-market high, because if the market will go again to test this level, at least I will have some cushion. I will not exit from the trade. So you can see the this is ES charts. So sorry, I was thinking that this is a SPY chart, but no issue. So if I'm in the trade will execute, and my stop loss is almost 6 points, which is 6 into 50 is $300. If I have multiple contracts, then my first exit point will be here above this cross. So in this trade, I can have 9 points, 9 into 50 is $450. If you have only have one contract, you can go with this one. You will be on the safer side. At least your, it is more than 1:1 ratio, but obviously if you are trading 100 trades, and because this is the minimum, so it will be more. I will show you how you can maximize your profit. Try to put the don't try to leave the money on the table, don't try to leave your profit on the table. But initially, you know that we are greedy, we want to take the profit. but banks, institutes are running the market, so you don't know when the market will means retrace back and when the market will change. And obviously, if you will try to take more profit and if you will not trail your stop loss from here, obviously the market will go back again and you can lose whatever you took the profit. So first target is this level. Okay, you have got out with the some profit, but my ultimate target will be 1.5 150% or 161.8. But now the market is going like this, so what I will do, I need to do, I will change my highest level from here to here. Now I will see where the market can go. Okay, I am in the trade. Suppose I have multiple contracts. I have got out with one contract profit, but the market is going. If you see, the market came down from here to here. The market is coming down. It went back above. Did it break the previous high? No. You can see the bullish candle means it's really powerful candle, but the bearish candle is also good, and it is breaking this red cross. Means it again broke the pre-market mid level. Now the market came down here. Did it break the previous low? No. Okay. This is a consolidation area. The price is consolidating here, means it is going sideways. If you see 30 seconds and other, okay, then you can see the price came down. Did it break the previous low? No. Did it break the previous high? No. So what happened here? It is testing the pre-market mid. This is the crucial level. And if you see what is the this level, it is showing me 50% of the Fibonacci. Okay, and after that, the market didn't break the pre-market mid. My next profit target area will be pre-market low. If you are in the trade somewhat here, suppose if you are buying second sell order, so this will be your order. This will be my stop loss above this pre-market high. I don't see this level. What is the price? I just put my stop loss as per my eyes. What my eyes are seeing, what my mind is saying. Try to don't follow your mind. Just follow whatever you are looking in the chart. The chart is saying to me that the market is not breaking. I can go and sell. Okay, if because previous time the market came down. First time it broke, went back again. Second time it broke, went back again. Didn't break this level. And you see, you can see the wick, very small wick. But this is 30 seconds candle. The price is going down. If you are putting your sell order here, you will be in a safe condition because you are putting your stop loss above this previous green candle. You can go with the sell and at least you can get out here above this level. In this case, your stop loss is almost only three points, which is $150 stop loss, and your target is almost 10 points, $500. Okay, but what is my ultimate target? My ultimate target, my maximum target is the same: 150, 161.8, 138.2, whatever. So if you carry on your trades in this trade, you can have at least, if suppose if you just bought one order with this bearish candle. This is the strong bearish candle on 30 seconds. But if I will go with 1 minute. This is the bearish candle. Okay. So anyway, so your target is 161.8%. So if you wake up late, I was telling you that if you wake up late, the price is coming down. It broke the pre-market low. I don't know what is this level. Might be it is the pre-market previous day low, previous day high, whatever it is. 5 minutes low, 5 minutes high, previous day close. I don't know. Okay, but you can find everything in this indicator. If you want to see that what is my VWAP, means volume weightage average price, basically this is the level where you can find the discounted price. So this line, which is yellow and magenta color line, so this is my VWAP line. If the bulls are in power, it will change the color to purple, magenta, whatever you can say. If the bears are in power, it will automatically change the color to yellow. Okay. So if you see here, the market also tested this VWAP, the discounted price. Didn't break, the color changed? No, the color is not didn't change. If you see the slope of this line, slope of this VWAP, it is descending. Okay, it is coming down, which is also a hint that the price wants to go down. Okay, if I will just put this VWAP, the price will try to go back again to this level. Okay, and here you can see the ABCD pattern. Okay, which I will not cover today. So suppose you wake up late. Now you want to go inside the trade. Okay, now I will switch on my RSI. What is going on with RSI? You will see if the price is coming down, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, sorry, lower low here, lower high, then lower low again. So if you will just see this area, the price is making lower low, means the price, this one was lower, this is lower than this one, so this is lower low. Okay, at this moment, what is your RSI saying? If you will draw from this point to this point, RSI is going up, price is coming down, means this is a bullish divergence, you can say. Some people say divergence, convergence. I am just saying that okay, this is bullish divergence. And if the price is coming down, suppose the price is not coming down, the strength is coming down, then that is bearish divergence. So this is bullish divergence, we can see here. Price came down, strength didn't come down. And one more thing, this is the confluence area. Why this is a confluence area? Because it is 161.8%. So now I am ready. I want to see one more thing, the confirmation. What is my confirmation? Now I can redraw my Fibonacci from the high to low. Now I will go inside the trade once it will go above with some confirmation above this 88.6. Okay, if the price will go above this 88.6 level, then I will go inside the trade. Okay, whatever you have taken, it's up to you. It's as per your appetite how much profit you want to take. Now the price retrace back, the price is going up. Okay, if I didn't tell you one thing before, during when the price was coming down, why the price was coming down continuously. So I think I can show you here. So what is the confirmation the price will come down until the retracement? So if you see that high and that low, suppose this one, this is 1 minute candle, the price is retracing. Did it break 50% or 61.8% to go further up? No. And this is area 38.2% area. If the price is keeping itself lower than this 38.2 or up to 38.2, then there are more chances the price will break 0% again and it will come down. And from here you can see the price broke this 0% and came down. Okay, if you want to see how much it came down, so it is the same level from here to this was the, so this was the low, this was the high. You can also draw like this. Okay, and the price came down to almost broke first target was 161.8, which achieved, and then it came to 188.6. Okay, why it came down to that area, you can see, because this was the high, this was the low of the candle. Okay, so what is the level? Almost 161.8%. So even in one candle, I will show you, I can show you that okay, this is the Fibonacci level, and in one candle the price is going up, and one candle in the same candle the price is coming down. If I will break this, suppose if instead of 15 seconds, if I will go with 1 second, then I can show you that it is creating the same Fibonacci levels. But we are not going with seconds. Even 1 minute is really quick. So, but I like to trade. I want to take my profit and then go out. Means, so every time if you see, suppose if you see the price, this was the high, this was the low. Okay, and if I will flip the Fibonacci level, the if the price didn't break this 50 or 61.8, the price will come down. Same happened here. The price tried to go up, didn't break 50% or 61.8%, came down. Even it will come down to first level 0%, then it came down a little bit further. Okay, so if you see here, sorry if I'm quick in drawing the Fibonacci, but try to practice more and more. Just practice over the plain charts without any indicator. If you see here, the price came down from this level to this level, then it went back above. Means first level is this, okay, but the maximum it came back again almost to the same level. If you see, it is again over the resistance area. This candle broke the resistance but didn't close above this area. Price came down to test again. Did it break the previous low? This was the previous low. No, no. This is the confirmation that the price didn't came down, didn't make the lower low and shoot up. So how can we see in Fibonacci that okay, what is going on with Fibonacci when I can go inside the trade? Okay, this is my target. So what I need to do, I need to draw levels here. I will flip it because why I draw from there? Because this was the lower high, came back to lower low, and this is my lower high again. Okay, and this is lower low, but this is the almost the same trend. Means you can say this is the one trend area. Even I told you that the price didn't back again 50% or 61.8% this here and came down again, but I'm taking this area and now I will reverse my Fibonacci level. Why? Because I want to see 88.6% breakout. Now please pay attention. The price went up above here and came down again here. Okay, yeah. Did any candle close below this 88.6%? No, no. It didn't make lower low. If it makes lower low means lower than this area, and suppose if the price came down to this level, then this area failed. But this time, because we have already seen this is almost the 161.8% extension level, so now the price didn't come down and went up. So if you will see, did it break 50 or 61.8%? This candle broke. So this is my first indication then that the price can reverse, means my trend can reverse. And the second thing, I told you that the price is not coming down below this 88.6%. So what I can do, I can put my trade, suppose it didn't came down here, it is trying to go up. So what I can do, I can put my buy order here above the 78.6, means these are the levels, the price will test each level. So I can put almost at 78.6%, because last time my range was big when the price was coming down at from 930. Now my range is really small. If you see, this is my trend, or even I can go with this trend. Okay, now you can go inside the trade. So the price came down, didn't miss, went up, broke, miss almost up to the same resistance zone. So during when it was going up, I can go inside the trade from 78.6%. Suppose this is my buy order. So the price didn't break 88.6. I am in the trade. Or you can just put the buy order by pressing Shift B, and you can go in buy whatever. Just go in the trade, and then you can put from by doing right click, and you can adjust your stop loss. And you can also trade from here. You can also trade from panel, which is not showing right now. This is trading view basically. So there's three or four ways you can go inside the trade. So I'm in the trade from this 78.6% level. So if you see, what is my first resistance here? My first resistance is this pre-market low level, which is also a resistance area here. If you see, there is more candles closing at this level, or because the resistance or support is not a single line, it is the area. So this is my first target. If I am in the trade from this 78.6%, then my first target can be this pre-market low or this consolidation area. The price exactly reached up to this level and retraced back. But if you didn't go outside the trade, you can see what happened next. This was my high, this was my low. Okay, high and sorry, low. So the price reached up to almost 50% area, didn't break this 61.8% area, and it will go in the same direction. Like it was coming down from here until it didn't break the 50% or 61.8% area, it didn't reacted in the opposite direction. So this is for the same for the bullish trend. If the trend is bullish, now the price is not breaking 50 or 61.8, then there are more chances that the price will go in the same area towards the same direction. So if you are still in the trade, if you trade, suppose this is the reversal, you can see it is not breaking 50 or 61, so you can go inside the trade again. This is why my okay, this is why my this was my previous trade, and I got inside the trade here. Suppose if I'm getting, but these are the bullish candles, there is no reversal candle, so you can go with the trade until you will not see any red candle. I see this red candle first here, I can get out from the trade here. There was my stop loss here in this condition below this 88.6%, or even if you want to go with the safer side, then you can put below this area. So suppose if I put my stop loss here with only 3 points, what is your target? Your target is almost 20 points. means against the 3 points, your stop loss, your risk, your reward is 20 points. 3 is to 20. If you divide it, is almost 1 is to 6. Okay. Anyway, this is the means trades. These are the charts which we have seen. That's why it's really easy to plot everything in this chart. But when you are going in the real trade, uh, bro, it's really hard. It's really hard. It means even if you are losing $100, we always think that, oh, why I'm losing this? Means I should be a winner. But you know that 95 to 98% of the traders left the trades because they are the losers. So we don't want to be in those classification. We don't want to be on those 95 to 98% traders. I would say they basically the novice traders. So a lot of people got the benefits from CRA. They put their money in the cryptos, they put their money in the stocks, and I know some of them, they have lost everything. So please try to manage your trades. Please, this is not your money. Okay. I previously I also told you, and every time I think that this is not our money. This is the money for our kids, for our families, and some of our relatives, some of our friends which are in need, which needs money more than us. So please don't put it in the garbage. So don't trade with actual money. At least try to start with the paper account. Start trading with the paper account 6 months, 5 months, 4 months, 1 year, 2 years. And when you think that, okay, now I can put the money in the actual account, I can trade, start with the small amount. Start with the micro. This is mini S&P. Start with the micro. Where is, yeah, here. Okay. So in mini, your 1 point means 3773 to 3772 is $50. In micro, it is $5. So at least your profit will be not too much, but at least your risk will be very low as compared to the micro. Okay. So anyway, so price didn't break this low. Sorry. And now I want to see that where the price is going. The price is going to the same target. Okay. Initially the price didn't break 88.6. I got inside the trade. The price didn't break 50% or 61.8. I am again inside the trade from here. Okay, above this level. Okay. My stop loss will be here. You can see my stop loss is almost 7 points. Okay. What can be my reward? My ultimate target will be my first target. Why I changed this? Why I flipped this? Because this was the high, this was the low. Now the price is reversing from this area. Now 27.38, and it is going high. My first target will be same 161.8. Did I achieve? Yes, I got my target. The price broke the VWAP line, which is really strong support or resistance. Once the price is coming down, this line is really strong support. Once the price is going up, this line is really strong resistance. In this case, you can also get out here below this VWAP. So if you have a couple of contracts, then your first contract you should get out here, but because the price can came down. Okay. What is my RSI saying? I don't care. Sometimes I don't see the RSI, but I want to see once it is creating the divergence. Now the price is going up. My first target is 161.8%. I got it. Okay. a little bit below this cross. The cross was pre-market mid. So if you see what is my risk and reward, okay, my risk was 7 points, which is $350. My reward is from 57 to 73 is almost 16 points. My reward is $800. So against 350, I am getting 800. Okay. In this way, we need to break our trades. Now I got it. I get out from the trade. Now I will look another trade. What I will do, I will flip. Okay. Now I have already got out. Three or four trades, green trades. I am happy. I can switch off my system around 11 o'clock because after this, you know the lunch break. Banks, institutes are running the market. They are feeding themselves. They are eating something. You can also fresh. You can have some juices, coffee, tea, whatever you want. You can spend the time with your wife, chit chat, some gup shop, discuss some family matters. But after that, you obviously, this is basically gambling. Like a gambler wants to revenge from the areas where they gamble. I say stocks, tradings, whatever you are trading means cryptos. This is like a gambling means you can stick. You want to see where the market is going every time. Even you, if you are not trading, you want to see where the market is going. You want to see the candles. You want to see the trades. And every time we see, oh, this trade was for me. I didn't take the trade. Don't worry, the train will come again at your station. There will be a next train. So just wait for the next train. If you will not wait for the train, then obviously you don't know that where is your exit point. If you will wait for the train, if you will wait for the train, if you will wait for the bus, then it's really you can enjoy during the traveling. But if you are running behind the train, running behind the bus, might be the gate of the bus will close and you will be in the middle of something. You will be nowhere. Even you will have no position, even if you will have no time to go back to the same starting point. So please try to emphasize on my wordings. Uh, might be it is nothing for you, but it can be too much for some of the guys, some of the girls, and especially ask from those people who have already lost too much amount. Who might be some of you guys have lost their houses, their accounts, might be they are bankrupt. So I don't want anyone that, because try to put yourself in their shoes. uh, they ask from those people who have lost, they will always say, oh, means they try to find a way that the time will come again. They can go back 10 years, 5 years, 2 years, 20 years back, and they will not do those. Means they will try to don't try to do the same mistakes. So please, okay, so sorry. Now the price, if you see the price went back again, you have got out. Now the same strategy, same philosophy. I will see the price is coming down. Okay, the price came down 20, 38, and didn't break 50 or 61.8. Oh, this is really good because 30, if there is a reversal from this area, there are more chances that the price will break and it will go to its destination. The golden area is what? 161.8 and 188.6. Now you can see, did the price reach to these areas? Yes. Where can be my trade? Suppose if the price is consolidating here. Suppose the price is going back again, you can go from above this VWAP line. You can take a small profit, 2 3 points, 4 points profit. Okay, suppose if you are thinking that the price will can go come back again, if you are seeing this dodgy candle, this is small dodgy candle in the middle of these red, green and red candle, you can get out here. But at least even this trade is green. Your stop loss can be below the body of this green candle. What is your stop loss is almost 3 points. What is your profit target is almost 8 points, $400 with $150 risk. Okay, now you want to see that, okay, my ultimate target is 161.8. Can it go to those that level? Yes. Yes. Why? Because if you see here, why it is going there? If you see here, price broke this VWAP, came back down, then again trying to go up, didn't break too much of this area. Sorry, not this over here. Okay, so did it retrace back lower than this area, the previous one? No, it didn't retrace back. Suppose this is your A. Give me a second, guys. Suppose this is your A, this is your B, this is your C, this is your D. Okay, so is I want to close with these things. The price broke this VWAP. Previously also it broke the VWAP, okay, but didn't close above this VWAP. This time price broke the VWAP, stay above the VWAP. Price, it means the line didn't change the color. This is your B. Again try to broke this line, didn't break this area. This is didn't break this resistance area. Did it close below this line? No. If you will pay attention, the low of this line was 3772.5. You can see the levels here, 3772.5, and the low of this bearish candle means the pin bar candle is 3774, which is higher than the previous green candle. And after that the price shoots up, okay, up to my destination, which was 161.8 or 188.6. Okay, so I will show you with the small levels that, okay, the price the price came down, didn't break 161.50%, 61. Then in this way means ABCD pattern is really good. The price took the support just over this mid level. Okay, if you see whole time the price is taking support here, try to break. Price is consolidating at this area, break down. Price is consolidating at this pre-market low, break down. Price tried to break this pre-market high, break down. Price tried to break this area VWAP 1 2 3, sorry, pre-market high 1 2 3 4 times, didn't break. Okay, VWAP line is yellow. Here the VWAP line is purple. Okay, a price made ABCD pattern and shoot up. So miss, in this way you can just manage your trades. Every time you can see the price is not breaking 50 or 61.8% area, then your next target can be 150, 161.8 or 188.6. This is the reversal candle. Even it is green candle, this one, the middle one is the green candle, but it is the reversal candle, and it was the confluence area 188.6. One more thing I want to show you from the indicator, that if I will put my trend lines, what my trend lines are showing before the market opens. So this is 1 minute candle. So I have did the coding because I want to I don't want to show many lines, so that's why I read miss consolidate miss. I'm just going with, I think, 10 trend lines, or might be 15. But if I was want to see that, okay, what market did before the market opens, uh, i I also want to see the 30 seconds chart. If you have the premium or pro version, then you can go with the time frame even with 1 seconds for scalpers. 9:30. Okay. Okay, 9:30 I don't have any candle, so I can go with 1 minute. 9:30, 9:30, 9:30. This is July 1st. If I will extend the line a little bit, then I can see what happened here after 9:30. Okay, if you will see, it broke pre-market high, came back down, took the support over Vwap line. You don't need to do anything, you don't need to change the color, it will automatically change. So means why I put these colors, because I want to see, oh, if I need to go bull, like a bull, or like a bear. So these colors are telling me what I need to do. If the price is resting over this purple line, I know that the price will shoot up. If the price is going below this line and the color change to yellow, I know that I need to go bear. Okay, so why the price went up above from this level? This was today's chart. If I will draw my Fibonacci again, you will see I'm just drawing first time. I don't see, I know my target will be 161.8%. Did it achieve? Yes. It created a bearish signal at 188.6. Don't see 200%. Okay. From there, 88.6, even you are in the trade from 178.6 or 116, my next target will be at least this. First target will be this pre-market high level, and then came down. So I was just telling you that, okay, if the price, if I will go with the trend lines, what I can do, see what the trend lines are doing. If I will extend these trend lines, it will automatically create on the indicators. The price is taking the support over this trend line. Might be in the future I will extend it up to the maximum, but you will see only the last line as the extended line. I show you here. The last line is the extended one, because if the previous lines are also the extended one, then you it's creating a really miss. It will not show up clearly, the chart will not be clear. So I just extended the last miss, the trend lines which is going high or which is going low. Other than that, before, these lines are really miss high. But I can show you during the pre-market. Okay, once the market is opening, okay, I tell you how. Here, the line will be extended up to the maximum level. Okay, so this was the almost 916. The market was opening at that moment, but today was there was no momentum. Weekend, Friday, Canada Day. Okay, so what I will do, I will close at 9:29 candle. This is my, sorry, this is my last candle, 9:29, 9:30. So see what is going on with the trend lines. Okay, it is opening above the pre-market mid. The color of this magenta, the VWAP line is purple, It closed above the pre-market high, and next what happened? Tested here. Even if you go in the trade from here, it is your buy order, put your stop loss here, and I want to see what is my profit target. I want to see this is high, this is low, and now you are in the trade. Suppose, okay, I put my order here, and I will get out even at 150, 130 from where the reversal is coming. I can get out from here because it went up and again came down to test this pre-market levels. The candle didn't close below this pre-market high and shoot up. So you can break your trades in two versions. Suppose if you are in the trade here at 936 or wherever, then once the price is coming down to test this, say this is bearish candle, then you can get out here. Okay, after the close of this bearish candle, even the next candle is green, but you are get out. Okay, in this trade also you are getting almost 16 points, which is $800. Not you are looking, okay, the price is going back again. The price didn't close below this pre-market high level. So what you can do, you can go inside the trade here, and you can put your stop loss below this trend line, below this level. Now you are in the trade. Your ultimate target is 161.8%. Okay, get out here. In this trade also you can get 14 points. Means, in simple words, this is really easy to say, oh, you are getting this much points, and the stop loss is here. But during the day trading hours, it's really difficult to manage the trades. So try to practice this as much as possible. Go with the back testing, go with the paper account. Don't put your actual money in the trades because it's really risky. Initially it's really risky. People try to be greedy, and greed, what is greed. So you can lose everything, whatever you have. Okay, so try to minimize the loss, try to maximize the profit. Even if you are doing with one contract, start with micro. Don't start with mini, because if you will be losing 10 points, it means you are losing $500. Okay, so what I did, I just put my high and low levels. This with miss my. Give me a second. This was the high. This was the low, previous low. I just go inside the trade. You see, it broke 61.8%. Then, oh, okay, did it break 50%, 61.8%? No. This was the candle at 936. So I knew at that moment the price will go up. It is going back again to test this area. If it will break, then it will shoot up. Where it will shoot up? To my same target. You can see where it went. My first target was this 161 or 188.6%. Even if the candles are green, I can stay in the trade. I can get out from here. I can get out here at 188.6%. Even if you are here, and I will show one more thing. So I will show one more thing. Please pay attention here. The price is coming down. Did it break 88.6%? No, no, it didn't break. What is the next target? 88.6. Did it achieve? Did it reach to that target? Yes. Risk, if you are in this trade, even after market open, if you are in this trade, okay, suppose if you are in the trade almost above 88.6, 78.6, suppose here your stop loss is below even this line. This is a big stop loss, 9 points. I don't want to go with this one. I will, what I will do, I will just put the stop loss below the previous low. Okay, so your stop loss is 3 points. What is your target? Until I will not see any reversal. I see reversal here, suppose out 3 points against 78 to 87, 29 points. Am I right? 88, 98, 0. Yeah, almost 29. 3 is to 29. You can see what these levels, pre-market high low levels are doing, what this Fibonacci level is doing, how I am using this Fibonacci level, and why I am really love of this 88.6%. It gives me an edge to go inside the trade with the minimum stop loss. I know before entering into the trade that where is my stop loss. If the price is reversing, I know where is my target. If the price is reversing here, I know my loss. Okay, so before entering into the trade, I have decided what I can lose in this trade. Before entering into the trade, I know what is my maximum benefit, maximum profit I can trade from this trade. Okay, uh, these levels, there are some different levels which you can see in the okay, one more thing. If I don't want to create any of these in Fibonacci level, how I can trade? Really simple. Once these two lines, this is smart line and this 21 moving, or I have added these lines, but they are miss. Okay. If these lines are really close to each other, like here, and once the smart line will break and the color of the smart line will be magenta along with this blue and red lines, then I can go with sell. Up to which area? Once the price, when the smart line color will change to green, it is breaking this 21 moving average. Yes, and automatically the color of this line will change to green. Means now I can go with buy, but the line is really low, means the distance in between 21 and smart line is really big, so I will not go in the trade. Once it will be close, I can go inside the trade, like here. If you see, this was really good trade. The price is closely coming, the small candles, and then smoothly it broke. Okay, uh, once it is really close to each other, okay, at any place. So lime, green, and olive color is my buy trade with really small miss gaps. Magenta, red, and green. Okay, magenta should close below. Smart line should close below this red line. If it is not closing below, like here, it is coming down very smoothly, then the price is coming down. And you can keep your trade until this middle line or this 21 line will not change the color to green at any place. Okay, you can see how many trades you can go. This was not the trade time because today was, if you see, this was a good trade because the price, the magenta green line is really close to each other, means with the red, and this was a good trade. The gap, you see the gap. Okay, and if there is a smooth takeoff, the price will go up. If you see how beautifully it is taking off from these two green and olive line, this is your trade. Okay, really smoothly. Okay, but obviously after the miss in the historical charts, anybody can do the charting, but I have already mentioned you my trades yesterday. I show you the real trades, where I put my stop losses, where I put my profit targets. You can see in my WhatsApp group how I traded with this 88.6% levels, and these levels are giving me an edge. You can see different levels. If you want to go with the VWAP line, I have the VWAP line here. If you want to see the 5 minutes high low, means you can see 5 minutes high low with this magenta lines. But I will cover all these things in the next video. I think it's too much for today. Previous day close line can also see here in with the blue color. If you want to see a supply and demand zones, it will also create in the uh, suppose these are the supply and demand zones. If demand is fulfilling, it is taking support from the demand shoot. If the supply is not fulfilled, it is taking uh, bearish signal from the supply zone, shoot to the downside. It is again taking the support over the demand zone, shooting up. So every time you can see if it is fulfilling the demand, if it is taking support over the demand, shoots up. So this in this way you can also trade. The supply was really few. You can see the thickness of the supply. So the price didn't break the supply, didn't full that its appetite, it didn't full its stomach. The price shoot, and where it is taking support, same mid level. Every time it is same mid level. Okay. So why it is falling from here? I will show you why it fall from there. If you will see, it was high, it was low, almost 88.6% level. Didn't touch 88.6, but as I told you, that you can put your entry a little bit low. Even at 78.6, you will not lose anything. It came down. Okay. Again, if you want to see, this is the level. The price, this was the low, this was the high, 88.6. Price came down. Okay. And this was the low. The price didn't break 50 61.8%. Sorry, 50 61.8. So even at this point, this was the high, 38.2%, came down. Okay. If you will go again with these levels, price didn't break 61.8%, shoot down. Shoot down to which level? 261.8. This time, because you see the gaps are really few, because the retracement was not too much, came down 61 point. But if you want to see in the bigger time frame, you can see where the price can come. This was low, then this was high. So low, then didn't lower high, and my next target is 161.8. Reversal candle, shoot up. Okay. So this is the way I manage my trades. This is the way I go with my stop loss. This is the way I take my profits. I break my trades in segments because I don't want to lose much money. I don't want to get out from this trading system. I don't want to be in those traders who are the losers like 95 to 98, 97, 96%. So I want to become, I want to retain myself in these, in those 2 to 5% people who are doing the trading, who are means managing the trades. um, so guys, this is the strategy for the Fibonacci level. And try to practice more and more. Try to practice it on weekends. Try to practice with the live charts. You can open TradingView account with M Futures, ampfutures.com. What you can take the benefit from AMP Futures. I'm not their representative. I'm just telling you what I have done. With the ampfutures.com, you can open the account and go with CME data. CME data means they will deduct almost, I think, $12 per month. And against the $12, you can get the TradingView connection free. So you will not invest anything on the TradingView. So it is free for with the AMP futures against the $12 per month. So just put only $200, so you will get the live data of the futures. You can get the live data of this Tesla SPY charts, the basic charts, even with I think some of the cryptos. I'm not sure, but you can check with them. You just need to invest $12, but at least you will see the live data, and live data is really good. You miss for the practice also. You can take the trades with the paper on paper trading, but it will be live data. Okay, and the same strategy you can use in the stocks. This same Fibonacci levels. I'm just showing because I'm wrapping up my video. It is really too long. You guys will give me some strict remarks that why I made this long video, but just for you, just miss. I always try that. Okay, whatever I know, miss, where I lost the money. At least I don't want you guys to lose at the same place. I know that there was a pump on the road at that place. So I'm just calling you that please slow down. Please take another route. The road is not good at that place. The road, there is a pump. So you will be really careful because I have already gone through that road. So please try to think in this way. Okay, so if I will switch on this Tesla chart, this is the pre-market of 30th June yesterday. This was my low. This was my one more thing. If I change the timings, no. Okay, give me a second. So for stocks, you need to change the timings in the settings. You need to come and put the 9:30 regular hours. So this was my low. This was my high. Okay. So how I trade, normally I will trade after the timings. So this was my low, this was my high. Okay, low and high. Now the price is going, sorry, I didn't put it at the right place. The previous low, this was the previous low. The market shoot up, this was the high, and now the market is coming down. I want to see, I think I put the wrong, but anyway, you can also go with this. So this was the low, this was the high, and the market came down here. So because I told you that if you are late in the trade, so once one thing is this, that up to this magenta line will not change the color to green, I will not go with the buy. But if I'm going only with the Fibonacci, what I will do, I will change the direction. I will see the 88.6. Once it will break the 88.6%, then I will go in the trade. So this was my previous high. Okay. And this was my previous low here. The price is shooting above the 88.6. Even it closed below the 88.6, but doesn't matter. You can go inside the trade here almost at 78.6. Smart line also changed the color to green. Here almost I am in the trade. I can put my stop loss here. Many of our guys, our friends are doing the Tesla options. So it is also beneficial for them. And where is my target? My target is also at the zone which is already marked, but I can switch off on for the timing. So where is my target? 161.8% is my target because it is also the pre-market high level of that day yesterday. So if I am getting out from the trade at 161.8, you I don't know about options, but if I am in the trade at $660, 659, almost 660, if I'm and I the most important thing in the options there is that you are inside the trade, you get yourself inside the trade in the right direction. If you are inside the trade in the wrong direction, you are messed up with the trade. So I am in the right direction from $660 and it reached to my target almost 679, 19 points, $19. I don't know how much it can be in the options, but my strategy is to go inside the trade inside the in the right direction. Even my indicator is showing to go outside of the trade at this level because green, 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 green. If I will add 21 also, and once it will change color to magenta, I can be out from the trade. So from 660 to 680, almost $20 in the right direction, only one trade. Okay. If I am waiting for the second trade, the same strategy from here to here. If it is not breaking 50, 61.8, and if it is reversing, then I can go in the same trade. Okay. Anyway, so there is a consolidation. If it will not break any direction, this was the low. If it will break this line, then it will come down. Everything was red. It broke this area. It broke this area, the previous low. Once it broke, this bearish candle is showing me that the price will come down. Test it again, the same area, didn't break, shoot down. So you can also put some manual support and resistance levels in your chart. So at least you have some edge over other traders. So guys, just manage the trades. Uh, just try to emphasize on the trades with momentum markets like SPY, ES. Nasdaq is really fast, so don't try to go in that market in your initial days. Some of our friends are doing really good in that market also. Uh, and if you need any help with this indicator, in this one indicator you can find everything. Is high, pre-market levels, 5 minutes levels, VWAP, previous day high, previous day close, supply and demand, trend lines. So everything we'll find in this one indicator. If I will switch off everything, if I just want to see the 5 minutes levels, traders also do trading with the 5 minutes. You will see some things that it is showing you that if the market is breaking this 5 minutes levels with this magenta and red lines, then you can also change the line colors, whatever you want to do. Suppose if I don't like this magenta, if I want red color, you can change red going down, green going up. Lunch break, That's all. If it will break with the momentum, this 5 minutes it will go up. Otherwise, it will come down. It is consolidating at this area. You see how many times it tried to break this area and didn't break. Okay. Then again, red broke the previous low. Here was the previous low. This line was the previous low. Or you can say this area. It broke the previous low, came down to test this 5 minutes. Then again, every day. It is happening every day. You see, break 5 minutes, didn't stay above it, came down, red down until it will not change the color, green up, red down. So everywhere you will find the same thing. So I will show how to trade with 5 minute levels or any other levels in another video. Here I'm just looking one thing, that a price tried to break high, didn't break the previous high. If you see, didn't break the previous high, came down. Okay, and came down to which level? We'll just see. Okay, 138.2. This time it didn't reach to 161.8. But at least you have this such that it is red is changing color to green. You can get out from the trade even with the profit. Okay, guys, I think it's too much for today's video. Um, Happy Canada Day. Just stay with your family, spend more and more time with your family. Some of the people are doing jobs, and I think they are also in the job at that job right now. So just stay safe, and I need more and more prayers from you guys. So, okay, guys, take care. Bye bye.